Hey people, it's your boy here again, Ajala The Traveller. I'm in a friend's house. She has been gracious enough to invite me into her kitchen. She wants to make a very delicious meal. I can't wait to taste it myself. Looking at the ingredients alone, my mouth is already watering. Let me introduce this friend. She loves to cook and she's going to tell us all about what she's cooking today.
Hi, my name
Meet
is...
Evelina. Okay, what are you cooking for us today?
So for tonight's dinner I'm making pork neck. It's quite fast and simple, very simple actually.
Hold on a bit. When you say pork neck, do you mean the whole neck of the pork or just the beefs that have been, the meat that has been cut out of the neck?
That's exactly what
pork
it is.
neck area,
Yes.
okay.
So meat has been thinly sliced and marinated before, and I kept it in a fridge for around 2 hours. The marinade is granulated
Okay,
garlic.
this is, sorry to cut.
Yes.
So this is the meat,
This is the
the
meat.
pork neck. It has been marinated for 2 hours, you said.
That's correct.
And what were the ingredients that you used in marinating?
So we have sweet pepper, hot pepper, granulated garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit oregano.
Okay. And then you put it in the fridge for about 2 hours.
That's exactly.
So what is the next step now?
Next step is we have to wrap it in the flour and put it on the pan, just to pan fry it slightly on each side. Okay. Just like that. And then from the pan it goes straight away into the dish. Together with the meat we put a little bit of onion, as you can see, red peppers and mushrooms. Then at the end I'm gonna top it up with the sauce.
It's already looking beautiful and colorful. So basically what has been done, it's that she, as you can see from the bottom, she put some garnish in the shell, and then she took us through the process of, rubbing the meat with the flour and then frying. When it's ready, she put it in the shell. She put another layers of garnish, and then she fried the meat again and repeat the same step until all the meats have been fried. And now she's adding the last garnish.
It will fit in because then again, whenever it's in the oven for a while, the sauce and everything is soaking in, so the vegetables are getting softer and everything goes down. Exactly. Now we're gonna put those little gherkins.
These little guys, they kind of have sour taste.
They do, but at
That's
the
my
end,
experience with them.
at the end when they are cooked in the oven, they don't have that flavor anymore.
Okay. Wow, look at that color. It's looking beautiful. Got those beautiful colors. So this is the part where the sauce comes in.
That's right.
So what about the measurement? Is it important? Because
it is important. It is absolutely important. So we have there is 4 spoons of soy sauce.
Okay.
There is 4 spoons of the apple vinegar. We have 6 spoons of the tomato passata. 16 spoons of water. And 1 spoon of sugar in it. And then I added not full teaspoon of the cayenne pepper.
All right. And you mix it all up. Okay, so the vegetables are gonna produce water as well.
That's correct, yes. And then there will be plenty of sauce
Okay.
later on. And you can serve it with baked potatoes. That's how I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Baked potatoes and the salad.
Okay.
There is no need for vegetables because you have peppers and gherkins in it, so there's plenty of vegetables.
Okay. So guys, this is how it looks before it's going into the oven. We're gonna show you how it looks when it's ready. That lovely pork neck that we were busy preparing has finally arrived. And this is what the end product looks like. This is the end result. It looks so good. The colors are still obvious. See how smaller the gherkins became, and what seems to be like a full oven skull, it's now, all well rested and ready for consumption. So it's gonna be served. It's gonna be served
with the roast potatoes.
Roast potatoes.
Roast potatoes with the rosemary and garlic.
Rosemary and garlic. And I suspect probably a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, too. Absolutely, yes.
Exactly, because you don't want it to dry out. It becomes very soft, moist on the inside, a bit crunchy on the outside.
That's right.
So can I taste? Can I take a dip? Just a small coat?
Absolutely.
I like to see. Thank you. Thank you. Look at the garnish. Wow, that is well served. Guys, I want to take a bite and tell you guys what I think.
It's very hot.
Yes, I have to be careful, but at the same time I want to get all the garnish. Your gherkin wants to run away. Yes, I got that. I got the pepper, the onion, and the mushroom. Delicious. Unbelievable. Delicious. Okay guys, thanks once again. It's your boy Ajala The Traveller. Looking forward to see you on the next one. Kindly share, subscribe. Bye.